Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the math session. That is lesson number first, rational and irrational numbers. Last class we have discussed about what is natural number, what is whole number, and what is integers and their types, and what is rational numbers. Commonly called as rational number is commonly called as the number which can be divided. The number which can be divided. An irrational number means the number which cannot be divided is called what? Irrational number. Point. There are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. There are infinite. There are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers, between any two rational numbers. There are infinite rational numbers between any two rational numbers. Example, find the rational numbers. Find the rational numbers. Find the rational numbers. Find the rational numbers between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. Here the point, there are infinite. Infinite means uncountable rational numbers between any two rational numbers. When we are taking two rational numbers, that is 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5, there is an infinite rational numbers comes. Okay, next. Now we will solve this example. 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. First of all, now we will take 3 upon 5 one side and 4 upon 5 one side. Okay, next. This is a numerator and this one is the denominator. Okay, 3 is the numerator and 5 is the denominator. 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Okay, next. 3 upon 5 as it is. Now we will multiply by 2. Now we multiply by 2. Both sides, numerator and denominator. Numerator and denominator. Therefore, 3 2s are 6. 5 2s are 10. This 6 upon 10 is equivalent to 3 upon 5. This 6 upon 10 is equivalent to 3 upon 5. Next, here 4 is numerator and 5 is denominator. Next, 4 upon 5 is multiplied by number 2. That is 2 upon 2. 2 upon 2. Therefore, 4 2s are 8. 5 2s are 10. Therefore, 8 upon 10 is equivalent to 4 upon 5. Next, 3 upon 5 multiply by 3 upon 3, both numerator and denominator. This is numerator and this one is denominator. Numerator and this one is denominator. This one is numerator and this one is denominator. And this one is numerator and this one is denominator. Is equals to 3 3s are 9. 5 3s are 15. Next side. 4 upon 5 is multiplied by 3 upon 3. Both numerator and denominator. Both numerator and denominator. This one is numerator and this one is denominator. This one is numerator and this one is denominator. Okay. Is equals to 4 3s are 12. 5 3s are 15. Next, 12 upon 15. 12 upon 15 is equivalent to 4 upon 5. 12 upon 15 is equivalent to 4 upon 5. Here, there are infinite rational number. That means, these all are infinite rational numbers, and between any two rational number means this two, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. The rational numbers are in between 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. These both 6 upon 10 and 9 upon 15 and 8 upon 10 and 12 upon 15 are in between the rational number 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5 rational numbers. Okay. Next, 3 upon 5 and 4 upon 5. To show rational numbers on a number line, let us see how to show 7 upon 3, 2 minus 2 upon 3. Example, show the numbers 7 upon 3 dash, 2, minus 2 upon 3 on a number line. In this given number line, we will show 7 upon 3, 2 minus 2 upon 3. First of all, here left hand side, here this is one left hand side, this is a left hand side, left hand side, this is a right hand side, this is right hand side. Left hand side is always negative value. Left hand side is always negative value. This one, left hand side, number 1, left hand side is always negative value. Next, right hand side. Right hand side is always positive value. Right hand side is always positive value. Right hand side is always positive value. Here, left hand side is always negative value and right hand side is always positive value. 0 less value is negative value. Less than 0 value is negative value and greater than 0 value is positive value. Less than, second point, less than 0 value. Less than 0 value is negative value. Less than 0, less than this one 0, less than 0 value is negative value, and greater than 0 value, greater than greater than 0 value, greater than 0 value is positive value, positive value. In the given condition, the left hand side is always negative value. Second point is less than 0 value is negative value. Next, in right hand side is always positive value. Right hand side is always positive value. Second point, greater than 0 value. This greater than 0 value is positive value. Greater than 0 value is positive value. Next, here show the numbers on a number line. 7 upon 3, 2 minus 2 upon 3 on a number line. First of all, here the denominator is 3. Here also the denominator is 3. In both sides the denominator is 3. That means here the denominator is 3 means now we are going to discuss about the difference between this one, the difference between 0 to 1. 0 to 1 we are taking 3 units. Why we are taking 3 units? Because of here the denominator is 3. The denominator is 3. Here the denominator is 3. Here the denominator is 3. Here also denominator 3 and here also denominator 3. This one 7 is numerator and denominator is 3. Here numerator is minus 2 and denominator is 3. In both sides 7 upon 3 and minus 2 upon 3, the denominator is 3. That means now we are taking the difference between every number. The difference between every number, that means 0 to 1, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, and in left hand side also 0 to minus 1 and minus 1 to minus 2 and minus 2 to minus 3 is 3 units. Now we are taking this 3 is the denominator. The difference between two consecutive number. Two consecutive means two numbers. The difference between two numbers, the difference is same. 0 to 1 is 3 means here. First of all, now we are taking here 0 to 1. 0 to 1. The difference between 0 to 1 is 3. Why we are taking 3? Because of the here the denominator is given 3. Now we are taking the difference between any two numbers is 3. Therefore, this is 1 unit. This is 2 units. And this is 3 units. This is 3 units. The difference between 0 to 1. The difference between 0 to 1 is how many units? Here given the denominator is 3 means here now we are taking 3 units. The difference between two numbers is 3 units. 0 is left. 1, 2, 3. This is 3 units. 3 units. And next, the difference between 1 and 2 also, how many units? That is given is, here the denominator is given how much? 3 units. Now we are taking, now we will left 1 unit, 2 units, and this one is 3 units. 1 is left, 1 unit, 2 units and 3 units. The difference between 1 to 2 is also 3 units. How much units? How many units? 3 units. Now 2 is left. This point is left. Next, the difference between 2 and 3 is how much? 3 units. 3 units means now 1 point, 2 point, and this one is 3 point. This one is 3. 2 is left, and the difference between 1, 2, 3. How much? The difference between 2 to 3 is how many units? That is 3 units. That is 3 units. Why we are taking 3 units? Because of the denominator is given 3 units. Therefore, the difference between 2 units is 3 units. The difference between two numbers 0 to 1, 3 units. Because of denominator is 3, and 1 to 2, 3 units. Because of the denominator is given. The difference between 2 to 3 also, how many units? 3 units. Next, here also, the difference between 0 to minus 1, 0 is left, 1.1, 0.2, and 3. This is also how many units? That is 3 units. 3 units. First of all, we will write this one. 0 upon denominator is how much? 3. That means 3 units. Okay. Next, here also. Here 1 means 1 upon 3. 1 unit means 1 upon 3 units. Here 2 units means 2 upon 3 units. Here 3 means 3 upon 3 means 1. 3 upon 3. 3 upon 3 means 1 units. Next, here 4 units means 4 upon 3 units. This is 4 upon 3. Next, here 5 upon 3. Here 6 upon 3. 6 upon 3 means 2. Here 6 upon 3 means 2 units. Next, here 7 upon 3. Here 8 upon 3. Here 9 upon 3 means 3. 9 upon 3 means 3. Next, in left hand side also, this is 1 unit, this is 2 unit, and this is 3 unit. Now we are taking 0 upon 3, 1 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3. Why we are taking minus 1 upon 3? Because of in left hand side. Left hand side is always negative value. Here also minus 2 upon 3. Therefore, here minus 1 means minus 3 upon 3 is minus 1. This one and this one 3 get cancelled. Minus 1 as it is. The difference between two numbers is how many units? 1, 2, 3. How many units? 3 units. Next, the difference between minus 1 to minus 2 is also 3 units. Why we are taking 3 units? Because of the denominator is given 3 units. First point, 1 point, 2 point, and this one is 3 point. Here minus 3 upon 3, minus 4 upon 3, and minus 5 upon 3. And here minus 6 upon 3. Minus 3 ones are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, minus 2 as it is. Next, the difference between minus 2 to minus 3 is how much? Here the denominator is given how much? 3. Therefore, 1 unit, 2 unit, and this one is 3 unit. Here minus 6 upon 3 means here minus 7 upon 3. Here minus 8 upon 3. Here minus 9 upon 3. 3 3s are 9. Minus 9 as it is. This 3 is as it is. 3 3s are 9. Therefore, 3 3s are 9 is minus 3. Here, now we are taking 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 is positive value. Positive value means that is on right hand side. 7 upon 3 is here on right hand side. Right hand side means 7 upon 3. Here given 0 upon 3, 1 upon 3, 2 upon 3, 3 upon 3, 4 upon 3, 5 upon 3, and 6 upon 3, 7 upon 3. Here 7 upon 3. 7 upon 3 is given. 7 upon 3. This one is 7 upon 3. Sorry. This point is 7 upon 3. This one is 7 upon 3 units. Here the point is 7 upon 3. Next, 2 means 2 units. 2 units means 0 is left, 1 upon 3 and 2 units. 2 units means 2 upon 3. This one 2 upon 3. 2 upon 3 units. Next, minus 2 upon 3. Negative value is always left hand side. Negative value is always left hand side. And negative value is less than 0. Negative value is less than 0. That means minus 2 upon 3 means 0 upon 3, minus 1 upon 3, 2 upon minus 2 upon 3. This one is minus 2 upon 3. This one is minus 2 upon 3.